Yo, this is Mr. Sasquatch. I wanted to show you real quick cool, neat trick on the PS5. So if you go to settings, if you go to your user and accounts, wait until that loads up. Hurry up, okay? If you go to payment and subscription, now keep this in mind. This is for the people that do not know. Okay, if you know, great. If you don't know, then this is for you. If you go down to transaction history, let's see here. Start date, you can change it. I'll leave those dates there. I can go down to 2010, let's say, right? Even though you didn't have the PS5 in 2010, but if you had the same account since like PS3 days and PS4 days, you can literally go and check what type of games or apps or subscription you bought between those years. So it's basically a giant CVS receipt with your purchase on the PlayStation Store. It's ridiculous. I did not know this. I downloaded Modern Warfare 2 a couple of weeks ago or days ago, and it said that I had it, and I'm like, I don't remember buying this. And it's just because when you download it, you can straight play Warzone on it, but you still need to buy Modern Warfare 2 so you can play the campaign and the multiplayer. I'm like, okay. I had to really like go back to my history, but like, yeah, I know I didn't buy that one yet. But I digress. It wasn't a good sale this week, so why not? But man, you can literally see every history. So if you're wondering why you bought those, you don't remember the specific date, but you remember the year, this is a great way to really check on your history of what you bought on the PlayStation, how long you've been with them. So hopefully this helps. If you got any ideas or other tricks, let me know in the comments below. If you want to see some of my gameplays of what I do, check out my page. You'll see a link to my YouTube, and I do, right now I'm doing a playthrough of Callisto Protocol. So I recommend, that if you didn't check that game yet. I know that game came out a while, and I've been doing a little bit of, this one as well. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope this helped, and I'll see you next time. Peace.